Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tamika and I am happy to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family. Hit that bell to make sure that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So guys, guess what? I am moving. So I am there on my computer browsing, searching for apartment, and I'm like, what the hell? Why not record it? So apartment hunting in DC video is here, honey. So basically, I've been looking at quite a few apartments. Actually, I put application in for 2 already. So we're waiting to hear back for those. I'm gonna show you the 2 that I applied for also, but I'm also gonna show you a few others that I was looking at, and the ones that I like and don't like, and the reasons why I don't. But anyways, I'm gonna up on my computer and show you guys the apartments, and please in the comments let me know which one is your favorite. Okay, comment below and let me know which one you like, which one you don't like, why you like it, and all of that jazz, and let's just chat up a storm in the comments. Okay, let's go. So guys, this is one of the apartment that I applied for. As you can see, it is super cute. I love the all black kitchen. Like, it is dope, and the apartment is very spacious. Like, super big rooms. The living room is huge. They have a walk-in closet. The bathroom is beautiful. It's a nice apartment, but as with everything else, there are some cons, so I'm iffy about it, but I did apply for it. So this apartment is interesting. Honestly, the only thing I like about it is that it has a washer and a dryer inside. But I don't like where they put the washer and the dryer. Look how they cram the washer and the dryer in the kitchen. So I'm doing laundry in the kitchen. I don't like the white cabinets either. Come on, we're cooking. There's gonna be grease, like the grease evaporate. That's gonna be some sticky mess. So I don't like the white cabinets. The apartment is also very small. I don't like that. I like space. And the bathroom, I love a big mirror in the bathroom. One thing with the bathroom though is that they have a window that is beautiful, that let in natural light. That is a plus. But the rooms are very small. See, like I don't know if a bed could fit in that properly and you walk around it. Very small. I don't like it. And there's not enough storage. Look at the closet, so small. Yeah, I don't like it for that reason. But I was looking at it, so I said let me add it to this. Oh my god, this apartment though. Look at the floors. I don't know what to say about this apartment. The floors just throw me all the way off. I couldn't, just the floors, honey, the floors. I can't do it. I can't do it. The floors. And look at the bathroom. So old fashioned. No, I can't. Okay, let's look at another one. So this apartment, 2 reasons why I don't like it. One, it is very small. If you see the bathroom, literally you can hardly turn in the bathroom. And the second reason I don't like it is those things on the wall. I don't know what it's called, but I guess it's the AC/heat. That's just something for TJ to play with, and I don't think that's safe. So I don't like that. I rather like the central here that is literally comes from the ceiling or from the ground, from the floor. I don't want those things that is popping out. And see, it's even in the bedroom, and the bedroom is super tiny. So yeah, I don't like that. Yes, honey, this is literally one of our favorite. I didn't get the video, it's only pictures, but it's beautiful inside and out. This is so cute. It's spacious. They put so much work in their landscaping. They have a gym, a fitness center. It's so cute. Look at the bathroom, it's so big, and the mirror is what I want and need in my life. The kitchen is big. Child, yes. Okay, so this one is the other one that I applied for. This is my next favorite. It has so much storage. That's a plus for me because I have a lot of junk. The kitchen is also big and spacious. And there's room that I can put like another cabinet to the wall right there where the fridge is or something for storage if I need more storage. The living room is huge. And they have a ceiling fan that is nice. Love it. I love those big windows so you can let a lot of natural light in. You have a hallway. On that back wall right there, I have plans for it if I get this apartment. Okay, let's see. This is what the bedroom. Look at that big window, letting all the natural light in, honey. I love it. See what I'm talking about? The central here, where the vent is in the ceiling. That's what I like. And that this closet has a lot of space. Yes, yes, yes. That's what I'm talking about. This is the other room. Look at that big window. I think there's 2 windows in this one, right? Yes. Yes, there's the other window. Oh, it's a walk-in freaking closet. What did I say about storage? That's my jam. Yes. Because I got a lot of what? Junk. Plus I have a baby, I have toys and baby stuff, and oh my god, come on. Space is what I need right now. Yes. Now look, let's take a look at the bathroom. The bathroom. This is a linen closet. Look how big that is. Another storage area for junk. Bathroom. It's not the biggest thing in the world, but it's okay. And it has a window, which I like, with the natural light. That is amazing. So that's a plus. That's a plus for me. So this apartment is super cute. I applied for it. The only con for me with this one is that it doesn't have a washer and dryer inside the apartment, but they have a washer and dryer on site. So in the complex, you can go and do your laundry. I don't like it, but you have to give and take. It's okay. We'll get through. Okay, guys. So that's the end of it. I showed you the 2 that I applied for. I really like them, but one of them is kind of iffy. The other one, in life you have to give and take, you know what I mean? So there are things that I would want or need, not need, but there are things that I would want, I would like or prefer that I have in one, I don't have in the other, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, it's a roof over my head, my kid's head. So it's okay. It's okay. I'll take it. Whichever one come through, I'll take it. But so, as I say, let me know in the comment which one is your favorite and why it's your favorite. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.